Good day, everyone. We are the Group 10. Today, we are going to discuss Section 71 of the EPRA Law, which talks about creation of the Essential Domains Fund. This section explains how the government provides financial support for the protections, survey, and development of essential lands of indigenous peoples. As we continue our reporting, we hope you will gain better understanding of the importance of supporting and protecting the rights of our indigenous communities. Section 71. There is hereby created a special fund to be known as the Essential Domains Fund. An initial amount of 130 million pesos to cover compensation for expropriated lands, delineation and development of essential domains. An amount of 50 million pesos shall be sourced from the gross income of the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. From its lotto operation, 10 million pesos from the gross receipts of travel tax of the preceding year. The fund of the Social Reform Council intended for survey and delineation of essential lands domains, and, just other source as the government may deem appropriate. Section 71 talks about the creation of the Essential Domains Fund under the EPRA Law. This fund is made to support indigenous cultural communities and indigenous peoples by providing money for the protection and development of their essential lands and domains. The fund will be used for compensation for expropriated lands, survey and delineation of essential domains, development projects for indigenous communities. Ang kwarta halin sa lain-lain nga source parehas sang PCSO, travel tax kag iban pa nga pundo sang gobyerno. Importante ini nga section kay ginapakita sini nga may responsibilidad ang gobyerno nga suportahan kag protektahan tungod sa mga indigenous people sa ilang mga duta.
Thereafter, such amount shall be included in annual General Appropriation Act, foreign as well as local funds, which are made available for the ICC-IPS through the government of the Philippines, shall be coursed through the NCIP. The NCIP may also solicit and reserve donation, endowment, and grant in the form of contributions, and such adornment shall be impended from income or gift taxes, and all other taxes, change of fees imposed by government or any political subdivision or instrumental thereof. This part of Section 71 explained that the Ancestral Domain Fund will continue to receive support from the government through annual budget or General Appropriation Act. It also states that both local and foreign funds extended for indigenous culture, communities, and indigenous people will pass through the NCIP or National Commission on Indigenous People. Dugang pagid pwede makabaton ang NCIP sa donation, grant ka contribution halin sa kalain-lain nga organisasyon o kung tawo. Ini nga donasyon o kung donasyon wala ginapatawan sang buwis agon magamit gid ini para sa mga programa kag proyekto sang mga katutubo. Importante ini nga seksyon kay nagasiguro ini sang padayon nga suporta kag bulig pinansyal para sa kauswagan sang indigenous people. Example, if the government need land for a new road and it is part of an essential domain, they use the fund to pay the indigenous community for their land. Example, ancestral domain belongs legally and culturally to indigenous cultural communities (ICCS) when the government acquired a portion of this land for public infrastructure like highways, bridge, or roads. There cannot simple take it. This example explains that the fund is used to fairly compensate the community for the loss of use for the land, ensuring and their property rights are respected and financial restoration is provided. Mapping ancestral domain NCIP used part of the fund to hire surveyors to map the ancestral land start and end. This helped prevent land conflicts. To protect indigenous lands from encroachment by private corporation, settlers, or conflicting government projects, clear legal boundaries must be established. This example explained that money from the fund goes toward delegation and surveying. By hiring professional surveyors to official map out exactly the ancestral domain begins and ends, the NCIP can issue formal entitle like CATS, Certificate of Ancestral Domain Title, which serve as a power tool to prevent future legal battles of the land disputes. Thank you.
Developing a central. The fund can help build water systems, schools, or small farms in central communities to improve their lives. Una, pundo pwede magamit sa pag-uswag sa central lands paagi sa paghimo sa water system, eskwelahan kagamay nga mga umahan. Ini nga mga proyekto makabulig sa pag-improve sang kabuhi kag pangabuhian sang mga katutubo. Receiving donations, a company donates 1 million to help an IP community build a health center. NCIP can accept this donation, company won't pay taxes on it. Ikaduha, ginapakita man diri nga pwede makabato ng NCIP sang donasyon halin sa kumpanya o kon organisasyon. Halimbawa, kung may kumpanya nga mag-donate sang kwarta para sa health center sang isa ka IP community, batunon ini sang NCIP kag wala sang duga nga pagbuhis. Ginapakita sini nga ang pundo kag donasyon makabuligid sa kauswagan kag kaayuhan sang mga indigenous community.